Unveiling BookTok, a literary revolution on social media. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, a unique phenomenon has emerged, captivating the attention of bibliophiles and businesses alike. Enter BookTok, a niche community within TikTok that has become a literary haven, redefining the way we discover and engage with books. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of BookTok, how to seamlessly integrate it into your business or project, and the factors contributing to its soaring popularity. The BookTok buzz, why it's so popular. BookTok, a subculture within the broader TikTok platform, has rapidly gained popularity for its engaging and authentic approach to book recommendations. Unlike traditional book reviews, BookTok videos are short, dynamic, and often feature creative visual elements, making them highly shareable. This unique format has democratized literary critique, allowing readers of all ages and backgrounds to contribute to the conversation. The platform's algorithm also plays a significant role in BookTok's success. TikTok's powerful recommendation system exposes users to content tailored to their interests, creating a highly personalized and addictive user experience. As a result, BookTok has become a digital book club, fostering a sense of community among users who share a passion for literature. Benefits of BookTok for readers and businesses. Diverse recommendations. BookTok provides a platform for diverse voices and book recommendations, allowing users to discover titles they might not encounter through traditional channels. This diversity is a goldmine for readers seeking new perspectives. Engagement and authenticity. The short-form video format on TikTok encourages creators to present book recommendations in a creative and authentic manner. This authenticity resonates with audiences, creating a genuine connection between creators and viewers. Viral potential. BookTok videos have the potential to go viral, reaching a vast audience within a short span. For businesses or projects related to literature, this presents a unique opportunity to showcase products, services, or literary creations to a wide and engaged audience. Democratized promotion. Traditional publishing often relies on major influencers and established authors for promotion. BookTok, however, allows smaller creators and self-published authors to gain visibility based on the merit of their content, democratizing the promotion of literary works. Incorporating BookTok into your business or project. Create engaging content, whether you're an author, publisher, or book-related business. Leverage BookTok by creating engaging and visually appealing content. Short, snappy videos that highlight the essence of your product or work can quickly capture the attention of the BookTok community. Engage with the community. Actively participate in the BookTok community by responding to comments, collaborating with other creators, and using popular hashtags. Building a genuine presence within the community enhances your visibility and credibility. Utilize trends and challenges. Keep an eye on trending challenges and hashtags within BookTok. Incorporating these trends into your content can increase its visibility and reach a broader audience. In conclusion, BookTok has emerged as a powerful force in the literary world, offering a dynamic platform for readers, creators, and businesses alike. Its popularity stems from its unique blend of creativity, authenticity, and democratization of literary discussions. By understanding and harnessing the potential of BookTok, businesses and projects can navigate the digital landscape with a fresh and innovative approach, connecting with a diverse audience of book enthusiasts.